Today we're going to show you how to pair wireless Apple CarPlay in your Ram truck. Now there's a few different ways to do it. You can do it right here from the home menu, or we found the easiest way to go into the phone menu down here on the bottom, and then it will say, do you want to pair a phone? Now if there's already a phone paired in here, you may have to go down to the device manager, and then on the left side you're going to have to click add device. So now the last thing you're going to have to do on the infotainment screen before we go to the phone is search for Bluetooth devices. Now on your phone, you may have to go into the settings menu here, the little gray cogwheel, and then the third one down is going to be labeled Bluetooth. So you can go into Bluetooth, you may see the UConnect at the bottom here, or back on your infotainment screen, you might see your phone pop up. So if your phone does pop up, you can click it over here. And now it will give you a couple of numbers. Now, if those numbers match what's on your phone, go ahead and select pair. Then we'll ask if you want to allow contacts and favorites to be synced. You can go ahead and select allow. And now it will have you select yes one more time, confirming that the pin matched on the infotainment screen. And then back to our telephone one last time. That will say connect to CarPlay. So go ahead and click confirm on there. And then, do you want to connect to Apple CarPlay? So one last click, just saying okay. So basically you're just following along with the menus. Now, once you get through all of that, you're going to say follow instructions on your device, and then that will pop up the wireless Apple CarPlay. So that gives you Google Maps, text messaging, Spotify. It's all going to be built into here. It's really cool. There's even a new iOS menu if you have the latest one. So if you are having trouble with it, there's a few different things you can do, like restarting the vehicle. Or on your phone, you can even go back to the top of the Bluetooth, just turn that on or off. Sometimes that will reset the system. So it's as simple as that to get wireless CarPlay in your Ram pickup.